Hi guys, welcome back. Today is a bit of a fun one. We are finally doing some exploring around Brisbane. We are going on a hike to Flinders Peak Mountain. You don't even know what that is, right? Someone's tired. Although we've been sleeping a lot. Yeah, so we finally decided to get our ass out. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon and it takes about 40 minutes drive to the location. Yeah, and then we begin our hike there. Alright, so let's go. Such a huge space. It's a cool feature. Random tree in the middle of the road. Oh, and we are now off road.
Is it a very hard pain to like drive new MG on off-road?
No.
No, it's not?
The whole point of the car is to drive around.
That's true.
We can always just
Are you
wash
washing the car?
once in a while. When it gets dirty. I mean, there are car washers as well if you're lazy. Oh, it's such a cool. Okay, let's see how this Cherry Tigo Pro 7 handles off-road.
Oh. Oh. We're here at the car park, finally, after a 40-minute drive. It was a very enjoyable drive though, the roads were very nice. Yeah. Oh, I saw a
Yes, yeah, so we are going for the Flinders Peak hiking track. So this is part of the Flinders-Goolman Conservation Estate here in Brisbane, and there are, like I said, there are plenty of other trails as well as horse riding. Right.
What are we doing?
So we are gonna be doing. So we're here. Actually, this is a whole estate, and we are here. There's another area that is here, and you can actually do a one-way hike all the way down. But we're not doing that today. I think that is really more for the horse riding. Yeah, it's 19 km. Okay, so we are doing the Flinders Peak hiking track return. Doesn't state. Why does it not state?
It's class 5. Wait, why is it class 5?
Yes, so it's class 5. So class 5 is challenging.
I thought you said it's going to be simple.
We'll see. I mean, if we don't like it, we can always turn back. Okay, the other option was for us to do the Mount Blaine. Yes, the Mount Blaine circuit, which would be class 4. It's 2.5 km.
But why don't they put that?
Yeah, you don't know that too. But that's not here, I think. Yeah, come, let's go. Excited. So we have our sunnies on because it's quite hot right now, the sun. But the air is cool. It's about 20 degrees, I think. Yeah. Okay, I will do a time lapse of our hike. I think we just passed by 2 Singaporean girls. You can clearly tell because of the way they were speaking. It's quite obvious. Oh, there's a helicopter somewhere. So this is where the trail gets a little bit tough, I guess. It's a bit uphill, up the mountain. Trish is a bit tired, so I think we'll just take it slow today. Yeah. It's a nice little breeze that is blowing from time to time, and I think the tree shade makes the hike very comfortable. Although in some areas the sun is quite glaring. Haven't seen any wild animals yet. Not sure if there will be any on this trail. So yeah, sort of found a viewpoint. I think that whenever we do hikes, the uphills are always very gruesome and you always question your life, right? But sometimes, when you get to the top and then you see the view and then you really think about, oh, the hike was so worth it. And so, this is the first review of the view for you guys. Wow. There's quite a big drop down. So, I've just managed to catch some drone shots of our resting point, and we'll be continuing on our hike. Someone's a little bit happier now because she got to rest.
And I heard the whippet. Is it whippet bird?
I don't know. Okay,
the
so
bird that makes the whipping sound.
yeah, tell them where did
It's
we
our
find?
favorite bird.
Yeah, because we heard a lot of them in.
Dorigo.
Yeah, so Dorigo is a bit south of Gold Coast. It's also on a mountainous area. The bird makes a whipping
It's
sound.
a pair of birds. It's a pair of birds. So they are usually mates. So I forgot if it's the male or the female goes first. So yeah, so the first one will have that long whistle, and then the second bird will end with the whipping sound.
So I just try. Yeah, I used to be better at it, but now I can't. Yeah, so there's a whip at the end, and it's very interesting. But we haven't actually seen the bird itself. We just heard it a lot in Dorigo. When we heard one just now. Oh, what is this tree?
Ew.
It's tree sap. It's tree sap.
I was gonna say honey.
So, who knows? Maybe we'll get to see one of the birds eventually on our trip in Australia. Okay. So our cutoff time will be 3 p.m. Right now it's about 2:08. So our cutoff time will be 3 p.m. and then we'll start turning back wherever we are. So let's see how far we can go on this hike. Take breaks if you need. So as with all hikes, once in a while, must turn around and see the view. The bright side.
Need a break.
So yeah, this hike is indeed getting tough. A lot of squats. It's time for a FIFA hydration break. Oh. The regular dance move. Hydration break.
So it's every 22.5 minutes. That's what I've learned from the boys about FIFA. Every quarter game.
No.
No?
Every quarter of the game.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
No, it's every quarter game. I don't know what that means.
A quarter game is every quarter of the game. Isn't that?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So we'll keep our bottle. And then we'll carry on with the match.
Oh my days, I'm
I like the
sweating.
breeze. The breeze is nice.
I'm sweating so much.
Yeah. Okay, onwards.
There's also some pretty nice wildflowers here, like this. But so far still no animals. No kangaroos, no snakes, no lizards. Just humans. So this is a much better spot to see the entire horizon.
We rest too often.
So we found a nice log to take a rest on with a tree for shade and to just enjoy the views.
I think this would be the best view if we don't
Make it to the
summit.
top.
Yeah.
So we're still pushing on, and the terrain has gotten a bit challenging again because it's just soil, loose soil, and some parts are a bit slidey. But I think we're almost near the highest point of the hike, which should be just out there, and you guys can see the view. And then we're back in the rocky terrain, so lots of big rocks.
There's an orange triangle on the rock.
Uh-huh. Oh. What's the yellow, orange triangle for?
Danger.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Honestly, this is a nice place to sit down, enjoy the breeze. But then, no views cause the trees are bucking. I think we've both done a good job getting up this hike. Though I still think we are only 3/4 of the way. It's not really the summit.
Well, I'm just deathly afraid of
Having to go back down. Yeah.
Yeah, that's really.
Take our time. Oh, this is a interesting tree feature. It's like a tongue.
Record me.
Yeah.
Great job.
V0. Actually, it doesn't feel like V0, it feels like V1. Almost fell some. It's another border sequence. V1. B. So I think we've sort of reached the top part. I'm just gonna climb up these rocks to see if I can catch a good view of everything. You gotta be careful though. A lot of trees blocking the view. But it's alright. Okay, so we are headed back down. There's two groups who pushed on. One of them is just here, a group of Asians.
It's a couple and then there's another group there.
Yeah. So we
But
are.
have headlamps.
Yeah, so they have headlamps. So
Yeah.
yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, but we are happy with the view here.
And we don't have headlamps, so we're not taking the risk because sunset's at 5 now. It's like 3.
Yeah, so we'll be heading back down, and unfortunately I won't be filming because I need all my hands to climb back down.
I'm so scared.
So see you guys. Bye bye. See you at the base, the car park.
One eternity later.
We have successfully made it back to the car. So how was your rating of the hike, Trish?
I think my fall count.
Oh yeah, so immediately after we kept the camera up there and as we were descending, she fell immediately.
Immediate.
And then I also fell once?
No, twice.
Twice, yeah.
I fell like 5 times. I
Yeah,
think.
so it was quite a treacherous hike down. Lucky we kept all our
Treacherous.
stuff. Yeah. I mean, it wasn't too bad.
It's just the gravel.
It's a pretty
very
decent
steep.
hike. The weather was good. Just that I think there were not much water lah.
The gravel is very slippery.
Yeah, the loose sand. So that part was a bit hard for us. But aside from that, I think pretty good hike. Nice views. We took a total of 4 hours up and down.
Yeah, actually a bit less, I think.
Yeah, about 4 hours. But we didn't make it to the summit lah. So yeah, that was a great first hike
I
of
think
our
we could
trip.
have done it 4 hours summit and down if we didn't stop as much.
Yeah, so some tips. Maybe bring a hiking pole with you. We did not know how high it was gonna be, so we didn't bring our hiking poles with us. And
Yes,
also
nice.
always come a bit earlier lah. So we only arrived at 1:30 and sunset was about 5:15 p.m. So there's not much daylight for us to do the full hike. So if you want to do the full hike, maybe come a bit earlier, maybe about 10, 11 and you'll be fine. But aside from that, yeah. Okay, on to the next destination. We have a washing machine in the middle of the forest. Many questions, such as how did it get there? Who put it there? And why is it there? Like where? There's no houses near here, you know. That's the thing. Like,
I think there's 1 or 2.
is there someone come here and dump trash? It's quite irresponsible, honestly. Random many.